Exfoliation removes dead skin cells from the outer layer of your skin. If you choose to exfoliate, it's important to do so safely so that it doesn't damage your skin, lead to increased redness, or cause acne breakouts. I'm Dr. Charlie Dunn, a board-certified dermatologist, and I'm going to share some tips to help you safely exfoliate at home. It's important to learn your skin type before you exfoliate because every exfoliation method may not work for every skin type. For example, dry skin is flaky, itchy, or rough and may need a mild exfoliation method. And oily skin, on the other hand, is shiny and greasy and may need a stronger exfoliation method. Consider the skincare products you already use. Some medications and over-the-counter products may cause your skin to be more sensitive or peel, such as prescription retinoid creams, over-the-counter products containing retinol, or products containing benzoyl peroxide. Exfoliating while using these products may worsen dry skin or even cause acne breakouts. Next, select an exfoliation method. There are two main methods for at-home exfoliation: mechanical and chemical. And the method you choose should be guided by your skin type. Mechanical exfoliation uses a tool, such as a brush, sponge, pad, or scrub, to physically remove dead skin cells. Chemical exfoliation uses chemicals, such as alpha and beta hydroxy acids, to dissolve dead skin cells. Avoid strong chemical or mechanical exfoliation if you have a darker skin tone or notice dark spots in your skin after acne breakouts, bug bites, or burns. For some people, especially those with darker skin tones, more aggressive forms of exfoliation can lead to increased pigmentation or dark spots on the skin. Be gentle on your skin. If you use a scrub or chemical exfoliator, apply the product gently using small circular motions. Do this for about 30 seconds and then rinse well with warm, not hot water. If you use a brush or sponge, use short, light strokes. Never exfoliate if you have open cuts or wounds or if your skin is sunburned. Immediately after exfoliating, apply a moisturizer. Exfoliation can be drying to the skin, and moisturizers help to keep your skin healthy and hydrated. How often you exfoliate depends on your skin type and your exfoliation method. It's important to find the right schedule for your skin type. Generally, the more aggressive the exfoliation, the less often it needs to be done. Be careful not to over-exfoliate, as this could lead to skin that is red and irritated. If you have questions about exfoliating, come see a board-certified dermatologist who can help.